I'm so glad I have a green screen in my basement so I could do green screen stop motion with, Godzilla versus Kong, the Pacific Rim, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Pirates of the Caribbean, and the Mosasaur from Jurassic World. Oh, I'm so glad I was able to get these toys. It's very hard to do wire backgrounds, Uh, man, this Godzilla is so big. Not like the Kong or the G.I. Joe, 1985 USS Flag aircraft carrier. Uh, I still have not got the pieces that make it look like there's a, plane touching down on the aircraft carrier or, stopping on the aircraft carrier. Oh. I'm hoping I could do this Master of the WWE Universe Fisto versus Jitsu stop motion sooner or later. Where's the Admiral of the USS Flag aircraft carriers? Somewhere right there. It's just so hard to see. Yeah, these are rare. These Pirates of the Caribbean free at the world's end Mega Block ships. One of these days I'm going to complete the Empress ship and the Flying Dutchman. These pirate ships. Not like that. Yeah, that's my green screen in my basement in my house.